How to post on Weverse app. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application Weverse, into a login credential, and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you've been logged in, move into the page of the artist at the top that you want to post. Once you're on their page, the next thing you want to do is tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. And then you'll see the option of Post. Click on it. Now click on Allow Full Access. Now tap on this gallery icon. It will open up the gallery for you. Choose any of the specific photo or the video that you would like to post. Once you've selected, tap on OK at the top right corner. Now click on Complete at the top right corner once again. Once the photo has been uploaded here, you can enter the caption or the status of it. Once you're ready to post, tap on Post at the top right corner of the screen, and then your post will be uploaded successfully. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.